Hello, QVC family. I'm John Erickson, and I'm tuning in from the heart of my kitchen here in Los Angeles, California. And it's here where my love for blending the perfect smoothie and crafting nutritious meals for my family blossomed into a passion. My journey has always been about finding those life-changing products that not only simplify cooking, but also elevate our health and happiness. Because that's what it's all about. I mean, I would say beyond the kitchen, I'm an avid ice hockey player, I love hanging out with my dogs, and I love spending time with my family. But above all, I am always on the lookout for the next product that can make my life and the life of my family richer and more fulfilling. Joining the QVC team would be a dream come true, and it would allow me to share my passion for incredible finds from fashion to the very best in kitchen technology with the world around us. And what excites me about the possibility of becoming a QVC host is connecting with people who, like me, are on a quest to find products that aren't just good, but are truly exceptional. Products that you want to share with everyone you know because they've made such a difference in your life. And that's what I'm here to do today. So let's dive into a world of exciting, life-enhancing products, starting with this one right here. So let me introduce you to something that has been a total game changer in my life and in my kitchen. It's the Vitamix blender. This isn't just any ordinary blender. It is the crown jewel of my countertop and an indispensable partner in my quest for a happier, healthier lifestyle. I mean, just imagine starting every day with a smoothie so smooth and creamy that it tastes like a gourmet treat from your favorite cafe. That was my dream until I bought this Vitamix and brought it into my life. Now, whether I'm whipping up a breakfast smoothie or something packed with fruits and vegetables, or I can even make homemade almond butter, this blender handles it all. And what sets the Vitamix apart is its powerful motor and high-speed blades that can turn the toughest ingredients into the smoothest creations. I mean, what I would say truly sets this Vitamix blender apart is its incredibly powerful motor and razor-sharp blades that pulverize ingredients in seconds, from frozen fruits to leafy greens. I mean, this thing can blend everything to perfection, ensuring that you get the smoothest textures almost pretty much every time. But let's not forget about the variable speed control and pulse features. These give you complete control over every blend. So for me, the Vitamix has been more than just a blender. It's a gateway to exploring healthier, happier eating habits. I mean, I remember the first time I decided to attempt homemade almond milk. It was a bit intimidating, but the Vitamix here made it so easy, and the result was incredibly rewarding. Creamy, fresh, and absolutely delicious almond milk. It was a revelation to see what I could create with the right tools. So incorporating the Vitamix into your daily routine is more than just adding a blender to your kitchen. It's about embracing a healthy lifestyle and creativity, but also one of convenience. So whether you're a smoothie enthusiast, a home chef, or just starting your health journey, this Vitamix blender will open up a world of culinary possibilities, from hot soups in the minutes to frozen desserts. I mean, fresh nut butters and so much more. Literally, the Vitamix is an all-in-one appliance that truly does it all. So let's talk about durability and trust. I mean, Vitamix blenders are built to last, making them a worthy investment for any kitchen. With my Vitamix, I've not only elevated my cooking, but also ensured that my family enjoys nutritious and delicious meals pretty much effortlessly. It's not just a blender, it's a way to bring health and joy into your everyday life. So if you're looking to transform how you cook and how you eat and make it both simpler and more delightful, the Vitamix is the answer you've been searching for. It's not just about what you can make with it, but it's also about the moments and memories you create along the way. I mean, with my Vitamix blender, I'm not just blending ingredients, I'm blending life, love, and health into every dish. So join me in making Vitamix a cherished part of your kitchen and your life. And now, without further ado, let's make a smoothie.